I really felt like Steve Cohen was kind of a symbol of the time that we're living in. He didn't build things, he didn't invent a new technology, he didn't invent a new medicine. He was a trader. And for some reason, we live in a world now where being good at that brings more wealth and riches than almost, at any time in history doing anything else. And to me, that was remarkable.
For 20 years, Stephen A. Cohen was the biggest fish on Wall Street.
Steve Cohen, over a number of years, built SAC Capital, the fund he founded in 1992, into this sort of colossus on Wall Street. He became a symbol of this incredible rise of the hedge fund industry.
But the government suspected Cohen was using what's known on Wall Street as black edge.
There's this term on Wall Street, edge, that a lot of people throw around pretty casually, and it means, what is your advantage in the market? What's the little nugget that you know that other people aren't aware of that's going to give you some kind of advantage when you trade a stock? Inside SAC Capital, they had this term, black edge, which was meant to refer to edge that was inside information.
The government's unprecedented investigation into insider trading on Wall Street soon convinced prosecutors that SAC Capital, the company Cohen had created, was a veritable magnet for market cheaters.
Around 2006, 2007, the SEC started on this really kind of historic, groundbreaking investigation of illegal trading at a handful of hedge funds. But as they were piecing all that together, one strand at a time, following one witness to another, looking at documents, looking at phone records, the name SAC Capital just sort of kept coming up.
Former hedge fund analyst and business journalist Sheila Kolhatkar gives readers an insider's view of the government's pursuit of Wall Street's white whale.
The challenge with a book like this is that, very few people involved in this story, as I was reporting it, were free to talk to me. It was an ongoing investigation. There were a lot of people who were possibly going to end up going to jail who I wanted to talk to. Just having the opportunity to gain the confidence of these people and to kind of really go inside what is normally a very secretive and high stakes investigation like this, and also to learn about what it's like to be on the other side of that, to be a target, to me was fascinating and was one of the most interesting parts about working on this book.